Alright guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how you can create an official email address, e.g. info@omatechdigital.com or support@yourdomain.com or inquire@yourdomain.com. Now, the reason why official email is important is if you are doing a business. If you are doing an official business, then you don't need a normal commercial email like your business name at gmail.com. Rather, you need an official business name, business email, e.g. like info@yourdomain.com. So now, how do we do this? How do we create this official email address? If you stay with me to the end of this tutorial, you should be able to create an official email address. Now, step one, you are going to, if you don't have a hosting account, then you need to buy a hosting plan and a domain name. So I recommend Namecheap and I recommend Ashura Hosting. So what you're going to do, you're going to head over to Ashura Hosting. Then you purchase your hosting, then you purchase your domain name. The domain name is what you'll be using to create your official email address. So once you are done, you log into your client's area. You log into your client area and we move from there. So this is my client dashboard. So once you are here, you are going to locate the hosting services you want to create the email with. You are going to locate it. So I'm just going to locate my hosting services which I want to use for my official email address. So I'm just going to locate my services. So just give me now. Once you are there, you want to log into your Cpanel of that very hosting account. So it is from the Cpanel we will do the main magic from there. So you log into your Cpanel. Now this is my Cpanel. So now we are going to create an official email for this URL. So all you need to do, click on this email account. Click on email account. Then if you see there is an email here, but if you want to create a new email, all you need to do is click on this create email. Then you select the domain you are going to create that email for. Take for instance is this domain. Then I want to click create something like support. The extension should be support@thisdomain.com. Then you are going to set your password. You're going to create your password. Then I love this optional setting. Always make it unlimited, because if you make it 1024 space, if the number of emails that is this get to the space, it will stop receiving mails. So make it unlimited. So once you are done, you want to click on create email. Now we've created the email. This is the email. Now we are not done. The next thing, we are going to format this email. Just click on the email. Just click on the email. Then it will take you to the webmail login. So this place, some persons don't know how to move from this place. So what you don't need to do is click on open my inbox when I log in. So meaning round cube should be the official system that opens your email. Now the next thing, we are going to customize the header. When an email comes to your address, the title of that company should be there. So come to setting. Then you will say identities. You click identities. Then this is the email. You want to create an identity for the email address. So now the display name. If an email comes from this place, what should it show? It should show True Corps Mail. And what is the organization name? The same thing. If you want people to be replying to no reply email, include the no reply at your domain.com. Then once you are done, you save. Once you are done, you save. And immediately you save, your email is 100% active and you can start using your email. Then I'm done. Then you can go compose your email. If you want to give anybody your official email address, it should be support at the name of your url.com or any extension you create at your url.com. So this is how you create an official email. If you know you've not subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that whenever we release a video like this, you'll be the first person to see it.